Hi there. Welcome to the Ninja Luxe Café cleaning and maintenance video. Ninja has made cleaning as easy as possible, and I'm here to show you how. We'll cover post-brew cleaning, running a cleaning cycle, and descaling. First up, post-brew cleaning. After crafting your drink, you need to dump out your old grounds by tapping the portafilter on a knockbox. A knockbox is this handy little box you can throw your old grounds in and empty out later. You can grab your own on ninjakitchen.com. You just tap the portafilter on the center bar to dispose of your puck. It's best to give the portafilter and basket a rinse after each brew. I usually do it while my hands-free frother is doing its thing. After frothing, always make sure to give the wand a quick wipe down with a damp cloth to get rid of milk residue. The tip of the wand is removable too. If there's any residue, take the included cleaning brush and unscrew the tip. Clear out any buildup inside the wand and tip with the brush. When you put the wand back into place, it'll auto-purge. This feature is a game changer, using hot water to clean the inside of the wand to prevent any milk buildup. The water from the purge and after brewing goes into the drip tray, so remember to keep an eye on the drip tray's empty indicator. When the float rises and you see the orange color, it's time to pour it out. Now for the weekly cleaning cycle. It only takes approximately 6 minutes, and it flushes out residual oils or grounds that are built up in and around the group head. The clean light will automatically illuminate to indicate when a clean cycle is required. Start with an empty drip tray. Pop the double basket into the portafilter and place the cleaning disc on top. Grab a cleaning tablet from your starter kit and place it on the disc. Lock the portafilter in and hit the clean button. The machine does a full internal cleanse, and then it's just a matter of emptying the drip tray again. Finally, let's talk descaling. This is crucial for maintaining your machine's top-notch performance, breaking down any lime and calcium buildup. This process takes approximately 90 minutes, so we will walk through the steps in this video, but when doing this at home, reference the instructions on your descaling solution packet, included in your starter kit. Start by dissolving the provided Ninja descaling powder in a separate container with 37 fluid ounces of water. Then, pour the solution mixture into the water reservoir. If you're buying your own descaling solution, make sure it's one specifically made for espresso machines. Pro tip: in a pinch, you can use white vinegar instead. Just fill the reservoir to the 18-ounce mark with vinegar. Then top it off with water to the max line. Insert the double basket into the portafilter and fasten it into the group head. Ensure the milk jug is placed on the milk jug platform with the steam wand inside. Place an empty cup, at least 18 ounces, under the portafilter and press the descale button. The machine will be flushing solution through the steam wand and portafilter for approximately 90 minutes. The machine will count down the remaining time left in the cycle on the control panel. After the cycle is completed, remove the portafilter, drip tray, and milk jug. Empty the contents of each, then hand wash with warm soapy water and put them back in place. Then fill the reservoir with fresh water and put the drip tray and portafilter back into place. Flush the group head by running a 12-ounce classic brew. Then flush the steam wand by running a purge cycle. And that's it. If you're looking for more information on your Ninja Luxe Café, be sure to check out our other how-to videos. Or you can always visit us at ninjakitchen.com.